Hi guys, welcome to this short video about using TENS or TENS therapy for after vasectomy pain. That's of course something which is not recommended by the manufacturers of most or even all of these TENS devices, and I'm not a doctor, I don't have a PhD, I'm not any kind of medical professional, but I'm just talking here about what my friend has experienced, what he has found out. I'm not doing any kind of recommendation what to do or not to do. I'm just talking about what he did and what he experienced. You can search for that and you will find some information about after vasectomy pain. I mean, it's not the pain which you have like after the surgery, it's more like something which a lot of people have, or like some people have after a couple of months or a couple of years when it comes to some kind of congestion. And then a lot of people are struggling to find real help. Some are taking OTC medication, some are using cooling packs, other things. But there is also a lot of research, or at least some research, I mean even scientific research on using TENS, I mean like anti-pain therapy, electronic anti-pain stimulation for that, and I think it has even shown positive results. But there are more studies planned. There is not a lot really to find. There are some things, and so my friend had these problems and he found some relief. At least he was using that only for a day already, and it brought him quite some relief. After that he continued to use that, but it brought him quite some relief, pain relief, after only 1 day, or actually even sooner. I mean, he told me he has found some relief right after he started using this. So I wanted to show you what he has been using. So that's the device. It's not the most advanced device from Ovon. It's a rather cheap, easy thing, but it's very suitable for this thing because it's so easy. It has this lock. I can show you how to set it up. I mean, it's a 2-channel thing. You actually need just 1 channel, just 2 of the pads here. Of course, you have to connect them, and you need 2 pads. Of course, you know where to place them. When you have these things, like in the men's section, you place one on the left side and one on the right side where you have the pain, of course. And I'm going to show you the settings which he has been using, because that's the most difficult thing, because when you're googling for that, they will show you just some very scientific things and not things which you can use here. And so it's a little bit difficult to find the right settings. So by the way, that's the device here. I hope you can see the model type, but anyway, I will put down the link to the Amazon listing of this one here down into the description. If you can't find the exact same thing, then buy any kind of simple Ovon devices. I think they have a lot of them for pain relief. So to turn it on here, we long press in the middle, get this nice background illuminated screen. We have 4 different pain programs here. We have 2 times EMS muscle stimulation, which we don't need here. So what my friend has been using is the one here on the left top. It has also 4 different programs. So with this M here, with this M function, we can switch between all these different areas. So you can see now we have we are in the EMS here, which we don't need, another EMS. So we are going back to this one here. I mean, of course, you could try one of them here, one of these areas, but he has been using this one here. So this is what he recommended. And now it goes into the first thing. The first, I hope you can see that very small thing here is flashing here. If you want to use another one, you can press here. You can see it goes into the second one. Yeah, the focus is a little bit difficult. Second one, then third one, then number 4. So he has been starting with the number 1 here. Of course, you have to add this thing here, otherwise it won't work. Then you can set the time. He has been using 40 minutes. You can increase that. Now you are on 40 minutes. You are on the first program, and he has been using the power increase slowly here till he felt something. I think it was on level 3 or 4, which he told me, where he felt something. I mean, there's no pain or so. You don't have to be really scared about that. You will just feel something like really just a little bit, and then you know, okay, it's working. And what he did, he went then a little bit back. I think he was saying he went back to level 2, where he didn't feel anything, but it seemed to really help him a lot. So he left it on the first section here, first program, for 40 minutes. And when it was finished, then a couple of hours, he went to the second thing. You can see, you just push here. Then you have to start, of course, you have to increase this thing again to 2, and then it runs for 40 minutes again. And then you go to a couple of hours later, he did then number 3. And then a couple of hours later he did it, and at the same time he did then the program number 4, so 4 times 40 minutes, everything on the level 2. So that's it, and it's very easy to use. You can see it has nice display, everything easy to see. What's really good, you don't have a lot of buttons, and you can lock it. That's really important. You can long press here to get this lock icon, and then you can put it in your pants, so, and then put maybe a t-shirt over it, so there's absolutely nothing to see, not even the wires, no nothing. The background illumination will then turn off after a couple of seconds, and the only thing which when you would push something here, when you have this thing in your pants, the only thing which would happen, like if you pushed by accident something, you can see nothing is going to happen, nothing is going to change by accident. It's just turning on the lights. If you want to change something, you would have to long press, and then it removes this lock thing again. It's very easy, very lightweight, very convenient. You can also recharge it. You get a recharging cable here with this set USB-C, standard USB-C, which can recharge, so you don't need any batteries or so. So yeah, again, for him it worked absolutely awesome. So this is the reason why he told me, and so I wanted to share this with you, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Again, I'm not a medical doctor. This is not a recommendation. I'm just talking about what he did. But I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.